The whole purpose of these dinners are for people to be able to just slow down and enjoy themselves. When we want to deliver an experience for folks to be in the present moment and a storytelling process. When we're kids, we're reading comic books and watching television and being told a story by our parents. And when we're adults, why do we have to not have that same experience? One of my favorite things about summer corn. It's super sweet, it's creamy, it kind of covers all the bases for me. So it's a nice chilled summer corn soup. This is our first course. I want you guys to enjoy it. Thank you very much. Thanks for being here. The experience about coming to our dinners, it's not just an open dinner that is seasonally based. There's much more thought that goes into it. You know, it's all about creating a bigger story and what we can do with that process. It's like going to a movie. Choices are important, so we decided to go with steelhead trout. We love working with Hudson Valley fisheries. You get all the benefits of salmon, but there's so much more sustainability involved with that. So we decided to cook them whole around the fire basket and then serve them with what the summer had to offer. And then tonight we decided to also go with one of the best relationships that we have, Busy Corner Farm, lamb. Two brothers raising lamb, they show them, they shear them, and then they sell the lambs to us for meat. Primarily, our business is focused on private events, but we have these opportunities to do these dinners locally where the food comes from, and we get to interact, and more often than not, the people that we are getting this exquisite produce and product from come to these dinners, so we get to showcase them. It's one of the things that we look forward to most throughout the season, because our business is built on this. We're going. But you cannot forget in life the things you're going to remember at the end of the day. The laughs you had, the drinks you had, the food you experienced, and the people you did it with. Let's be there and just enjoy what's happening right there at that moment and nothing else. That's what life's about. And I am so pleased to be able to deliver those experiences to people.